guys, this is your chef Jasbir and welcome to the TheFoodXP kitchen. Today I am going to make Wendy's chili seasoning, and this recipe is super easy to make because it takes only 4 ingredients. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So what we're gonna do is we will heat a pan and add all the ingredients into this, including gelatin, and let it simmer for about 5 to 10 minutes. When the sauce is thickened, we will reduce the heat and let it cool, and our Wendy's chili seasoning is ready to eat.